Yo, what's up guys, Sticky Rice on here. In this video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to reduce your lag and improve smoothness in the Strongest Battlegrounds on Roblox. So the first thing you guys want to do is you want to go and press options, and then you want to go to your Roblox settings. So right here, you want to make sure your volume is on the third bar for the lowest input lag, and you want to make sure that your input device is your name with voice chat on the right. Then output device, make sure it's on PS4 audio output. For voice chat, you want this connected, chat summaries off, rephrased messages off, automatic translations off. Experience language should be English, and if you want it to be more responsive, then you just put on Chinese traditional. But in this case, I'm just going to put on English. So automatic chat translation, you want this off. And actually, you want to turn this on, and then you want to make sure that Chinese traditional is here. It's not going to affect your game, but it's going to reduce your input lag. So once you're done doing that and you're making sure that this option is also off, you want to turn off this, and then you want to make sure your full screen is on. Next, you want to make sure your background transparency is grayed out all the way to the left. Same with text size. Performance stats, you want this off. Graphics mode, you want this on automatic. And then you want to swap it to manual and then crank it all the way to the left for the lowest input lag, then swap it back to automatic. But if you want good graphics with still like low input lag, then I would suggest you go manual and then you crank it to the 8th bar and then swap it back to automatic. But yeah, in this case, for the lowest input lag, you would want to go with all the way to the left and then automatic. For vibration, you want this on. Reduce motion on. Camera mode, you want this on follow. Camera inverted off. Camera sensitivity, I personally have it on max. Shift lock switch, you want this on off. UI navigation toggle off. Show people's names on, and display my badges show. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the settings to optimize. Now for this part, you want to make sure that if you get any kind of notification in the chat, you want to make sure that you tap on it and make sure that you look at it so it disappears. Because whenever you have any kind of notification or badge with a number showing stuff in the corner, it just takes up cache and also storage on the PlayStation. So if you make sure you view all of those, it'll make sure your PlayStation runs a lot smoother. So for the next part, you want to press your touchpad, and then you want to see that spot where it says number 18 with characters. You want to make sure you tap that so you're able to see that, and then it disappears. So after that, you want to go to this tab, so it looks like a brick, and then you want to go to join VC server. I've noticed that when you join the VC server, it actually makes your game feel a lot more smooth for some reason. I think it has to do with maybe it's either less people are there, but all I know is that I've tested it and it makes your game run a little bit smoother. After we go into the VC server, I'm going to show you a little bit more tweaks on the settings. So what you want to do is you want to go press your touchpad and go back to that area where it says characters. So you see how like you can see that little white badge that says 18 like right there? That's what I mean by like you want to clear those out. So press touchpad and then press X and then look at it, and then it'll be gone. And then after that, you want to go to press settings. Should be able to work, right? So you want to press your options button. This would actually work. What I'm trying to do is to unmute. Okay, so what you do is just you pull your joystick and then you go to the microphone and then you want to unmute, and that's also going to make your game run a lot more smooth. And then after that, you want to go to this setting right here. Yeah, so you want to go to this cogwheel setting, and then you want to go make sure that these are the activated settings. So for auto activate, you want this on green. Auto skip emote, you want it on red. Disable companion attacks, green. Auto run, green. And then hide cooldown indicators on green. So those are the settings that I've tweaked there for the lowest input lag and to make your game run as smooth as possible. So after you've done that, let me check if there's any more stuff that I need to cover. But yeah, after you do those, it's pretty much all there is for the in-game settings tweaks. Now for the out-game settings tweaks, of course you want to make sure that your quick menu, so when you hold down your PlayStation button, you want to make sure it's hovered over sound and devices. And then you want to copy down this setting, so pretty much have 2 gray bars on the right side on volume, and then make sure that these are all copied down. Now after you've done that, you want to press your PlayStation button, and then you want to go to your settings, then you want to go to accessibility, and then you want to invert colors, and then toggle it off to reset your PlayStation's GPU. And then you want to go to devices, Bluetooth devices, DualShock 4, you want to disconnect it, and then you want to unplug the wire on your PlayStation controller, and then plug it back in. And then you want to press your PlayStation button, and then it'll reconnect your DualShock 4 and recalibrate it. And then that will lower your input lag. You'll feel it instantly after you start scrolling down in the menu. And then after that, you want to go to initialization, clear learning dictionary, and then press clear. And then that'll pretty much just clear the words that your PlayStation had to memorize when you're searching things up and stuff like that. And after that, you want to go to your internet browser, press X, and then press options. You want to go down, close the window, and then you want to make sure you have no browsing history. Then after that, you want to press options again, go to settings, and then you want to delete your cookies and then clear your website data. And then after that, you want to go to your settings. Usually this is for games. Oh yeah, so like Roblox is there, and then you want to make sure you sync with PlayStation Network, and then that will also lower your lag. And it'll also make your game more smooth. And then after that, you want to make sure that you go to notifications, and of course clear off any notifications you have in your downloads and in your uploads. And also make sure your notification settings are looking like this, and then like this. Make sure all the boxes are unchecked. And then after that, you want to go to your profile, and then it should take you to this screen, and then you want to press the 3 dots, then go to change cover image, right? And of course you want to make sure that your stuff's all black, but once you have it all black, then you want to double tap your PlayStation button and then go back in the game, and then make sure your quick menu is hovering over sound and devices, right? And then you can press your PlayStation button and then double tap your PlayStation button again to make sure it's on this screen, and then double tap it again, go back in your game, and then you'll notice everything's going to be a lot smoother. So yeah, let me know if that works for you guys, and if you want to know more tweaks, basically everything that I know, then I highly recommend you go to the link in my bio where I sell PS4 tweaks and optimizations, and I have a whole document of all the stuff I know and all the info and tweaks that there are to do on the PlayStation 4 settings, and I'll make sure that you guys are having the most smooth PS4 experience. And if you want, you can either have a look at my document that has all the tweaks, like hundreds of tweaks, or you can just book a call with me on Discord. So basically go on my Fiverr, and then you go to the gig where it says PlayStation optimization or PS4 optimization, right? And then once you do that, you can add my Discord. It's basically the same username as my YouTube, and then we'll go on a call, and then I will literally walk you step by step of everything you need to do to optimize your PS4 and to make it run as smooth as possible, as you can see. So yeah, if that sounds good to you guys, let me know. Either text me on Discord, and then I'll DM you and let you know the steps to buy the tweaks, and then yeah, we'll make your PS4 run as smooth as possible. So yeah, let me know if these tweaks works for you guys, and yeah, I guarantee you that these are gonna help make your PS4 a lot smoother compared to when you didn't optimize it. And so yeah, let me know how it goes, guys.